Hi, in front of me is Samsung Galaxy Tab S7 Plus, and today I would like to show you how you can set up an alarm clock on this device. Firstly, click on clock. Now you need to tap on alarm if it's not already on and click at the plus icon over here. Then you can set up an hour and select days of the week by clicking on the chosen ones. Now click on alarm name, label your alarm however you want to and save it by clicking done on your keyboard. Scroll down and over here you can click on the switchers next to all of these options to turn them off or on. Then click on alarm sound and ringtone. Over here you can pick one of these melodies and set it up as your alarm sound by clicking on the chosen one and going back. But you can also click on ringtone, tap at the top right corner over here and select music from your device by clicking on the song and tapping down at the top right corner again. If you want to adjust volume of your alarm, just swipe left or right on the slider over here and go back. Now tap on vibration and select one of the vibration patterns by clicking on the chosen one and going back again. Lastly, tap on snooze. Over here you can pick how many minutes it will take and how many times it will repeat. When you're done, go back and tap on save over here. As you can see, my alarm was successfully added. If you want to turn it off completely, tap on the switcher next to it. You can turn it back on the same way. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye!